Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today this video has been requested and I will be making my nan's special party rice. Obviously a disclaimer, I'm not saying she invented the party rice, but you have that one family member that has that special recipe or that special thing that they cook. This is what my nan has always cooked on any events that we do. She cooks the party rice. So I haven't made it at all, and my nan's been gone for nearly 4.5 years. I haven't tempted. I didn't want to wreck it and spoil it. I have made her famous oat cookies, and they've gone down a treat. But my sister has taken over with the party rice, so she's been doing it. But someone has obviously seen the videos, my Easter video just gone, and seen the party rice and would like me to cook it. So that is what we're going to do today. Again, this is my first time doing this. So I hope and pray that I'm doing it justice for my nan. But if you decide to make this, I would love to see your pictures and tell me what you think. But yeah, let's get on to what ingredients you will need. So the ingredients you would need is, for this one, because I'm only doing it for myself, is 1 onion. But if you're doing it for a large event or party or for family, I would recommend 2 onions. Then you would need some peas and carrots, some tomato puree, and some rice. We also need some vegetable oil as well. But yeah, it's quick and easy recipe. Not a lot there. So let's get started with making this party rice. So yeah, this is, and my sister has taken over doing the party rice for when we have occasionally parties and stuff. So I am nervous about this. So now we are going to cut the onions into little bits, and I will get back to you when this is done. So we're just going to cut the onion into small little bits because you're going to put it in a frying pan. Always good to have a chopping board. I thought I packed it all. Wouldn't that be good? Hell no. So we're going to chop the onions into little bits. Cooking the rice for about 10 minutes, making sure it's cooked. I'm not saying that I'm Gordon Ramsay, but my nan used to teach me how to cook from scratch, and I've always loved doing it. So I think I take after my mum and nan in that department. Loved cooking new things. But so we're just going to cut them little bits like this. So I've cut up the onion. I'm now going to put it in the saucepan. The rice is going really well, so let's do the next step. So the rice is coming on very good. We've got about a minute left of it cooking. So once that is done, we could then move on to the onions. So you'll need a saucepan, of course, the onions, and you'll need your tomato puree. And obviously the vegetable oil. So sorry about the positioning of the camera. There's nowhere in my kitchen to prop you up so you can see everything. Again, this decoration is not good. There we go. So looks like it's coming on good. It's cooking fine. Can always never tell with rice how long to cook it, but I've cooked it for about 10 minutes. And you can use any rice I've just used the ball in the bag rice. It's quick and easy, especially if you're, and there we go. There's a timer on that, so we can switch that off and just place that to one side for a moment. And we are going to get the saucepan. I'm going to get our oil. Always a way, there we go, to open this oil. And we're just going to put it on. Again, if you need to add any more on, then you can. So we're going to make sure, sorry about my phone, make sure that oil is covering that saucepan. So when you put the onions in, it will cook just right. So let's go and get it. So we've now got the onions in, and straight off you can hear that sizzling. So we're going to cook these as normal, but halfway through we are going to put half a tub of this tomato puree in. So while that's cooking, we can sort out the rice. So we have drained the rice, and we're putting it on the drainer. So waiting for that to cool down while these onions are cooking lovely. Again, lush. And with the oil, I have no idea how much to put in, so it's all about guessing. But my sister told me how she cooks her recipe, like she gave it to me. So, but no one knows I'm doing it. What laugh was that? I have no idea, but my family don't know I'm actually doing this, so I want it to be a surprise. So while they are cooking, we're going to move on to the peas and carrots. I'm being lazy. You can use frozen ones, but I'm using ones in a tin, and I'm going to microwave them. Pretty simple, easy, and basically it all comes together. So we are going to microwave them just near the time of everything, because I don't want them to be cold and then it ruins. But yeah, look at that. You can hear the sizzling and smell the onions. So, can't even remember the last time I actually cooked something on my channel, but I do miss it. But there's been a lot of upheavals and ups and downs recently. If you are on my social media, you will know I'm starting my new job on the 13th of May. So I'm excited about that. Still in the process of moving, so we've had like the inspections come around, so now just waiting for the gas and electric people to come around. All systems go really. I'm just waiting for them to start the ball really, because I've been packing since day dot. It's my birthday on the 7th of May, which I am not looking forward to at all. It's the first one without my mum, so it's not going to be for myself a good day. But I do have an Amazon wish list if you want to check it out. It will be in the description bar below. So you can hear that. That means it's cooking lovely. Look, I'll show you. Look at that. Again, I only did one onion because I'm doing it for myself. But if you're doing for a party, it would be 2 onions. But look at that. How scrumdiddlyumptious. So now that they have cooked halfway through, we're going to put half of this tub of tomato puree in. There we go. Can you hear that? And we're just going to mix it all together. Mix a beautiful red colour together. So it looks something like this, just mixing it all together. It might not look nice, but once it all comes together, it all makes sense. So now they seem to be cooking. So the next step is now to add the rice, the onions all together, mix them about. So just keep stirring, making sure all that tomato puree is mixed in with the onions. And it's been a few minutes now since the rice has cooled down, so sorry about the loudness. So now we're going to get a big bowl and mix it. So now we are putting the bags of rice in a bowl. Right, ooh, making sure it doesn't fly everywhere. In a bowl like this. So it's all in the bowl. Messy work, but it's all good. Probably did too much rice, but it's okay. So we're gonna now we're going to add the fun bit. So we're going to mix the onions into the bowl. I probably did too much rice. Making sure you get everything out. Put that on the side a minute. And we're going to mix it all together. Like so, because you want the rice to be like an orangey colour. So mixing, I definitely did too much rice. So far it looks like this. We are now going to add the peas and the carrots. And now we are doing the peas and carrots in the microwave. I have definitely done it too much rice, but it's okay. Like, we all make mistakes. Should have probably just done one bag, but that's fine. I've got loads. So we're going to wait until they are done, and then we're going to mix that in with the rice. Oh, and this is the finishing product. Party rice, nanny style. So that is the party rice. I'm going to try it because I'm my own critic, but let's go. I should have cooked the rice a bit longer. The rice is a bit too hard. See, again, sorry Nan. It's nice, but the rice is too hard. So I should have cooked it longer, but that is literally the recipe down to the T. So I've got all the recipe right. I just didn't cook the rice a bit longer. But we all make our little mistakes in cooking, but now I know. So that is the end of this cooking session with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a massive thumbs up. I would love to see pictures of your party rices. But yeah, if you liked it, give it a massive thumbs up, subscribe down below and click that notification bell so I'll notify you when I upload a video. So I will see you again next time, my butterflies. Bye.